Wait. Are you still saying I'm sorry, thank you, and how are you in 2021? No issues. Here I am to teach you some better ways of saying how are you, I'm sorry, and thank you, so that you don't sound dull in 2021. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are with Bismillah. Let's begin today's lesson. I am sorry. Avoid saying I'm sorry in 2021. Say pardon me. Pardon me. For example, pardon me, I didn't see you. Pardon me, I didn't see you. माफ़ करना मुझे, मैंने तुम्हें नहीं देखा. Next example is I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. मैं तुमसे माफ़ी चाहता हूँ या मैं तुमसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. Next phrase is please excuse my ignorance. ignorance is not ignorance. The correct pronunciation is ignorance. Ignorance. Say with me. Ignorance. Ignorance. For example, please excuse my ignorance. I didn't know you are unemployed. माफ़ करना मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि तुम बेरोज़गार हो. Next phrase is apologize for that. For instance, you committed any mistake and you were sorry for that. You could say, I apologize for my mistake, it won't happen again. मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ अपनी गलती के लिए, ये दोबारा नहीं होगी. Next example is, please accept my apology. Please accept my apology. मेरी माफ़ी को कबूल कीजिए. Instead of saying I'm sorry, you can say please accept my apology. Next example is, if I offended you, I apologize. If I offended you, I apologize. अगर मैंने आपको offend किया है तो मैं उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. You people have to tell me in the comment section what is the meaning of offend. It's your home task. Next phrase I have for you is thank you. Instead of saying thank you, you can say thanks a bunch. Thanks a million means thank you so much. I don't know how to thank you. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं आपको कैसे शुक्रिया करूं. I don't have words to thank you. मेरे पास अल्फाज नहीं हैं आपको शुक्रिया करने के. I am touched. I am touched. किसी ने आपके लिए बहुत कुछ किया तो आप instead of saying thank you so much or thanks a lot, आप कह सकते हैं I am touched. Next example is I am in your debt. I am in your debt. DEBT is not debit. The correct pronunciation is debt because B is silent here. मतलब मैं आपके उधार में हूँ. ये भी बहुत अच्छा तरीका है किसी को शुक्रिया कहने का. Next phrase I have for you is how are you. Instead of saying how are you, you can say I trust that you are well. मैं यकीन करता हूँ कि आप बेहतर होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे. Hope you are doing well. उम्मीद है कि आप बेहतर होंगे. Stop sounding boring in 2021. Start using these phrases. Inshallah, I will see you soon with some more interesting lessons. Till then, smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss such interesting lessons. Bye. Khuda Hafiz.